How to repost Instagram Reels. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily repost Reels on your Instagram. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Instagram app. And then once you're on your Instagram, go to that Reel that you want to repost. So let's say for example, if I want to repost this Reel, you just have to here tap on these three dots in the bottom right side here, and then here you will see the option of remix. Tap on it and then here select this after original video and then wait for a few seconds to it load, and once the reel is loaded you have to just tap on next here in the top right corner, and then now you have to record your video. So you can record your video if you want, or you can just put your finger on the camera and record a small 3 seconds video. So remember, it should be at least 3 seconds video. And so after you have recorded, just remove your finger from the camera and also from here, and then you just have to tap on next, and then you can repost this reel. So now you just have to tap on next here in the bottom right side, and then you can edit the cover if you want. You can tag people, add locations, or you can go to advanced settings and you can turn on or off these features, and then you just have to tap on share and wait for a few seconds or few minutes till the reels upload. And after the reel is uploaded, it will look like this, reposted. And so this is how you can repost Instagram Reels. Thanks for watching.